Welcome to the fourth section of discussion on pipe rack, piping and layout. In previous section, we have discussed guidelines for placing the pipe lines on pipe rack, and in this section, we'll cover battery limit configuration. Okay, so let's start with our presentation. So we have battery limit configurations. We have different type of configurations. For example, vertical configuration, horizontal, and composite. So let us try to understand what kind of vertical configuration is there. In this configuration, battery limit valves are placed in vertical position. Okay, if you see in these pictures, all the valves are in verticals. Okay, all the handles are towards front side so that operator can move here and operate these valves as well as these valves. So generally, these kind of configuration can be used when the line sizes are smaller than 8 inch. Okay, where we can go for vertical valves, otherwise the loading will be too much if we go for 12-inch valve in vertical. Okay, so we generally go for smaller ones only. Requires less installation space, as we have all the valves in vertical, so it is saving a lot of space. We are getting good movement space available with us. Then generally used battery limit at grade. Okay, when the pipes are moving at grade in OSBL, tank farms and pipe racks. Okay, so this kind of configuration for smaller size, less installation space, and used in this kind of situation. If you see, we are having horizontal configuration here. In this arrangement, all the battery limit valves are placed in horizontal. Okay, if you see, these are horizontal configuration because, and if you see, all these line sizes are large, above 8 inch. If we go for 8 inch valve and in vertical installation, it will lead to operation and maintenance problems. So generally we go for horizontal configuration for line sizes more than 8 inch. It requires more installation space. If you see, we are having horizontal configuration, so it requires more space. So movement space will be less and we have to plan our layout accordingly. Easier access, adequate space for maintenance of battery limit valves, special items and instruments. At the same time, although we have lesser space, but at horizontal the valves are at very lower level, so we can always operate while standing here. Okay, so easy to operate, easy to access, adequate space is there. So this kind of configuration is there for horizontal valves. So this we called horizontal configuration for battery limit. Then the last one is composite configuration, where we are having combination of both vertical and horizontal configuration. This will be a kind of optimum installation space utilization. Okay, we are having vertical as well as horizontal. So we are optimizing the space utilization. There will be a movement, operator movement space will be there. They can move here and operate all these valves. They can come inside, go out. So this kind of space we have to plan accordingly. Okay, easier access and adequate space for maintenance of battery limit valves, spacer, instruments. So this will be very good situation for operator, very easy to operate and optimum one. Then this was all about battery limit configurations. In next part, we will try to understand supporting and flexibility requirements, equipment on pipe rack, and platform above pipe rack. So see you in the next part.